Two bulbs connected. I haven't connected the third bulb. If it's connected, that one will also show over here. Now let me do one thing. Let me actually show you the demo of this Philips Hue. So this is the app, and we can do very basic stuff, obviously, by like just lowering individual bulbs. As you can see, you can do that. But if you go to the scenes, this is interesting. Actually, Philips has some predefined scenes. Obviously, if you just hit the all off, everything would be off, for example, like this. But we also have this preset scenes. For example, if I just press sunset, as you can see, the color has changed. Let me go back to white, which is energize. And we have a few others also. For example, I like this Taj. It's white, but it is like not pure white. It gives a very good soft white color. Obviously, we have reading, which is again sort of yellow. And we can also, in fact, apart from these built-in, color modes that we have, we can obviously create our own. For example, this is the beach. Again, you can create almost any color that you want via this. Let's do that. For that, you have to just go to lights, and here just select the lamps. For example, I'm going to be using the 2 lamps, and here you just hit this to create a new scene. I'm just going to select the lamp 1 and 2, and if I just go here down, this is the color chart, and now I can just move around the light. For example, oops, let's just go back. I can just move this around. As you can see, I can change the colors. I can also do one more interesting thing, is that as I have 2 bulbs right now, let's say I just want the same color on both. So I just can drag this one over the other and make it a pair. Now I can just move between the chart anywhere. As you can see, it's green. We can make something like orange. For example, we can do anything we like, any color. So it's up to your imagination, and you have to experiment which one do you like, blue, whatever, pink. So this one works really well in my opinion. So let's say you really like this sort of color, and you can adjust the brightness also now by lowering it or like maximizing it. Let's say you just like this. Let's call this sort of orange color, and let's make this as a scene. So I'm just going to save it, and let's save this one as, let's say, deep orange. And now just hit OK. And now this will be saved here in our scenes. If we just go over here, as you can see, it has created the new one known as deep orange. Now these are the defaults ones that I have. For example, let's go back to our deep orange. If you just click here, you can instantly go back to that color profile. So you can create your own profiles and moods. For example, let's say during the day you want some different color, and evening you want something else. You can obviously do that. Again, it just does not end with that. You can also have alarms and timers if you want. You have to just set up that. And also the functionality is not just restricted to this app. In fact, there are a lot of third-party apps that are available, and you can actually install them. For example, I'll show you. These are the apps, third-party apps, I would say, that you can use. And in fact, you can also automate stuff by using apps like IFTT. So you have a lot of options, and so it's not just restricted to this Philips Hue app. So in fact, as you can see, there are tons and tons of apps that are available. So by just using this app, you can create your favorite scenes, and in fact, you can adjust the lighting. You can also create a Hue account, and if you do this, you'll be able to control your lighting even when you're not in your home or your office. So it's a pretty good system, I would say. And this Philips Hue lighting system is a very unique system, and I would say it would be ideal for people who would like to play with the lighting. For example, you could set it to a relaxing lighting in the evenings, or a very bright light in the morning when you do the work. I plan to use these Philips Hue lighting in my studio so that I can precisely control the lighting when I'm working